to join in. Everybody can join in. At the count of 10,
Sir, sir.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you Beauty Experience 2025. Thank you so much for inaugurating this for us, because the next 3 days is going to be a power-packed. Neha, we all here would love to know more about your shopping experience.
Hello,
Like,
sir.
how do you shop? Like when you come to a mall, how do you actually want to see? What do you want to see when you come to a mall?
First of all, a very
Absolutely. So like you've seen Mall of Asia, right? You've just taken a look, you've taken a walk around. Tell us, what did you feel? Did you find everything that you were looking for?
so from like a watch to makeup to skincare to clothes. I think this mall's got everything. And I was like, I don't know, one of the finest malls I've seen. And when they say Mall of Asia, it stands true to its name because it's got everything that a woman wants and a man wants too. And then there's food. So I think it's just everything is right here under one roof.
And let's talk about the brands. So now we do not have to go to a different country to shop. Mall of Asia has got all our brands right here, all under one roof. And what do you have to say about that?
I love the fact that you can just go to one mall and find everything, whether it's skincare, whether it's clothes. Because I remember there were days when you used to send your friend, Acha, you're going to this country for a holiday, can you get this for me?
So true, so true.
And then you could never try the sizes because you're like, okay, now she's brought it, now I have to keep it. So I think it's amazing that everything is in our own country. You know, right here, you can try what you like and return it if it's not perfect and get another one.
Absolutely. And talking about Beauty Experience 2025, so many brands, like as you can see around, we've got booths, we've got workshops, we've got music happening in just a short while. There's so many things happening here at the Beauty Experience 2025. What's your take on that?
I feel there's a little bit for everybody. There are master classes by one of the finest from the industry. I think people who want to glow up, learn a thing or two about makeup. You're going to learn that from these lovely people who are going to teach you about beauty and makeup. So the master classes are amazing. And of course, all the brands under one roof, I can't get over it. So, there's, if you want to celebrate beauty, when I say beauty, of course, the internal and the external, everything under one roof, it's just amazing.
Hello.
Well, thank you so much, Neha. Thank you so much for taking time out, being here, talking to us, and being with all of us here this evening. Can we all put our hands together for Neha, everybody? Come on. So, well, I think Neha has to go around for some more shopping.
Well, I'll never say no for shopping. I'm really excited because I did some on my way here and I'll do some on my way out. So I think I just want all of you to have a lovely evening. Let's make this evening truly magical. Hope you get what you're looking for. Shop and get your partners to pay for it.
All right, Neha, we've got Ms. Poonam Chatri on stage. Can I please welcome her on stage? Ms. Poonam,
Close up to
request you to kindly join us on stage. Oh, there she is. Let's put our hands together.